hanggang 950 nits. Kaya naman, you can use this phone even outdoors or sa ilalim ng araw. And for its battery, it has 5,000 mAh, which is enough for me as a gamer and yung madalas ka rin mag-scroll sa TikTok, sa social media. For me, it's really enough kasi trinay ko siya 2 to 3 hours of grinding, specifically sa pag-ML. Tapos, hindi naman siya sobrang nalobat and I was still able to use it sa buong araw. And sa gabi ko na siya chinarge. And also, yung kanyang charging speed. Fast charging na siya with 33 watts na adapter and 1 hour and 30 minutes based on experience. So, for me, hindi naman siya sobrang bilis, hindi rin naman siya napakabagal. So, average lang siya for a phone at its price point. For its performance naman, gumagamit siya ng chipset na Snapdragon 685. And for its benchmarks naman, makikita natin na nag-improve talaga yung kanyang performance compared to the last Realme C55. And it's just